Games are one of the most used entertainment sector and which is loved by everyone. Games are done with a special animation. It may be 3D or 2D. Games are interesting and interactive. Playing games, we forgot the history of games. And now let us know what's the history of games.
The first game was developed in 1958 by William Higginbotham. It was named Tennis for Two. It was a game inspired by tennis and it was a multiplayer game. And in 1961, when the first man went to space, by that inspiration they made a game in 1962 called Space War. The first oldest game was CNET. Who discovered game? Ralph Baer discovered the game and he was called the father of video game. How are games invented? It is an electronic device with screen overlays user could use to play basic games, which is the number one mobile game in the world. Pokemon Go is the number one mobile game in the world, which 1 billion people are using that game, and it was released in July 6, 2016. How are games made? Main thing is production. Production is the main stage of development when assessed and source code for the game are produced. Programmers write new source code and artists develop game assets such as 3D models. And sound engineers develop sound effect and composers develop music for the game. And in 1974, War game was released, which was the first FPS game. And in 1976, Breakout game was released, which was the first brick game where we needed to break the bricks.
This is all about the history of games. And next, we are going to say how the game works. In the Game of Game episode 2.